and that's what they call me.
It's your boy, Tlites. Oh yeah, shout out to the Werewolf Gang. Yeah. Shout out to the Light Crew, man. You know I love y'all, man. Appreciate all of my subscribers, man. Y'all been rolling with your boy from day one. I appreciate y'all that just joined me. Man, we living life, man. We blessed, no stress, feeling like the best. Man, make sure you share this video with your friends, man. Tell them, man. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and browse some of my content, man. I got over 100 videos, man. Go ahead and check me out, get to know me, man, so you can hit that subscribe button. But yeah, I hope y'all receiving this video blessed, no stress, feeling like the best. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Yeah. But yeah, today, man, I had to come check on the SS, man. We gonna check on the SS. They go Carnage right there. Yeah, he's here. Yeah, I rode him in the wintertime too. Yeah, now I had to take it to the car wash. I had to take him to the car wash. So, you know, I figured I'd slide on over there to Barbary Customs and check out the SS, man. The SS is, as you've seen in my previous video, I had to get it dropped off. Here it is, man. We charging her up. We're gonna see what's going on with her, man. I just wanted to keep y'all in tune, keep y'all in touch with her. You see that 5.3 V8 active management, motherfucker. God damn it, it actively costing me money. You know what I'm saying? Actively costing me money. You know how it is. You know what I'm saying? I just wanted y'all to see it. He said he gonna get it in today and see what's going on with it. I ain't gonna be here, man, cause I got some other little endeavors I gotta go do. But yeah, man, I just want y'all to see that we are trying to get it right and get it tight. Get it right, get it tight, get it right, get it tight. Yeah. I'm just playing. Yeah, there go the other cars he fixing on. He still got this one out here leaning like the Leaning Tower of Pisa. There go Carnage. And the good old Super. Woo, the good old Super, man. Tell me in the comments, man, if y'all like super sports, man. Y'all like this particular model of the Super Sport. Did y'all think this was a good car or not, man? Let me know if you thought it was a good car or you didn't think it was a good car. I myself thought it was a good car. I know it's a good car because I own this motherfucker. I got plans for this car too. It's front wheel drive, V8 with the front wheel drive. I think a lot of people didn't like it because of that particular reason. It was front wheel drive instead of rear wheel drive. But I think it was, I'm glad they put it as a front wheel drive because it's a great winter car. It's great winter. It's a great winter or summer car. But it's definitely a great winter car, being that you can drive it in the wintertime. You got you a V8 in the wintertime, front wheel drive V8. Come on, man. You can't go wrong with that. And look at his sleek physique. Man, I love this car. I love the Super. So ain't nobody tell me nothing about her. Shit, she one of the best cars I ever had. I had the Super since 2010. That's 10 years. I've owned this car for 10 years and it has gave me minimal problems. The problems that it's giving me now cannot compare to all the good things that it has done for me. It got me to and from work plenty of times. Man, what the fuck is this shit? The hell is this? Oh, that gotta be grass. Yeah, it's got me to and from work plenty of times. So it's done paid for itself 3 or 4 times over. You know what I'm saying? And when I first got this car, I had one of the hardest cars in the city. One of the only guys that had a Super Sport. I was. Young T-Light, you know what I'm saying? Couldn't tell me nothing. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna keep y'all posted on the Super Sport because we got plans for that too. Like we got plans for the Magnum. We definitely got plans for Carnage. The Go Mango Werewolf. We definitely got plans for that. And I got some other stuff coming in store for y'all, man. I got a lot of stuff in store for y'all, man. Tell a friend about me, man. I'm definitely trying to do my thing. I definitely ain't trying. I ain't no trying. I am doing my thing. Super Sport. Yeah, look at them exhaust tips I got on it. Big boys. Big boy tips. Big boy tips. Big boy tips. Big boy breathing apparatuses. Well, yeah, I definitely got big boy plans for this car. I'm gonna put some 22s on it this summer. That's the plan. I got something in here that he showed me. Matter of fact, I'm gonna let y'all see these bad boys. The ones I plan on getting. And I'm not for sure I'm gonna get them, but it's what I plan on getting, man. I'm gonna let y'all see those. Man, I gotta take me a thumbnail picture too, you know what I'm saying? Look at that. Ooh, that thing looks so clean. That thing mean. I got the hardest gold. I got the hardest Daytona in the world. I sure do. I don't care what nobody say. I ain't overdid nothing, and I got many other plans. I got some other things I'm about to do to this thing. I'm really gonna make it stand out. I'm taking it to the wrap shop, get a few things done. You gonna see. I ain't gonna wrap it like they be doing in Texas, like Hemi Life and they be doing, because I'm not really into those wraps like that. But I'm gonna wrap some things on it. I'm gonna add a little things that accentuate the Go Mango. You gonna see what I'm gonna do. Y'all gonna say, damn, he killing it, because I'm already killing it. Carnage, the Go Mango, where woo is the hardest Daytona in the Indiana. Hell, in the Midwest. I said it and I meant it. You dig? But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all these rims I plan on getting, man, for the Super. Damn, he got the goddamn door lock. I'm gonna hit y'all back when I get in here, man, because he playing that music, you know, so that copyright, and I ain't trying to get none of that. You dig? Yeah, we in this here. What's up, Christian? Tell him your shit, man.
What up? Welcome to Barbary. Hold on, man. You gotta redo that, edit that. Wait, order that. I gotta keep myself together, man. You just go. This is the uncut version right here. I gotta look straight, my shirt and shit, my hat cracker, everything.
Got him.
I what?
I was just trying to show him these rims I'm gonna get. I'm gonna start it over. Yeah, I just got inside the building, you know what I'm saying? Show y'all a little bit, some of his work he's done. These, oh, this is all old stuff right here. He done did so much stuff, man. This is old stuff, man. Look at that. Got some Ruchis, some forged Ruchis right here. I don't know whose these is. Let me see what it is. I'm opening them. Hey, don't tell nobody. We're gonna see what's going on in here. Let's see what's going on in here, man. Ooh-wee. No, these are not mine. Let's see if they float cap. Ooh. I don't know whose these is, but they nice though. They nice. I don't know whose these is, but these ones are nice. Somebody got some nicey diceys up in here. Ruchis with the floater cap. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. I'm just saying, I ain't even in the rims like that, man. Let me quit playing. Put that on over there, so we don't want to mess those. We don't want to mess those up. You know what I'm saying? We don't want to mess those up, cause guess what? I can't afford to pay for them. I lied. There go some more wheels he got in here. What's these in here? Okay. Let's see what he got in here. Oh, these ones. Oh, he's sending these back. He's sending these back. Those ain't got the floater cap. He must be sending those back. Yeah, he must be sending those back, you know what I'm saying? Got those. I'm thinking about getting those for my Jeep right there. Yep. Got those. I should get those, man. I don't know, man. I got some things going on in my head, man. Yeah, we got that. Those right there. Those came off my homeboy stuff. Those look good on his car too. I got it in the video. I'm gonna let y'all check it out too. Got those right there. I don't know what these are. I try to float the cap. I don't know what those. He got a whole bunch of wheels. He got some Ruchis up in here. Hold on, we got some more wheels over here. These got the floater caps right here.
I bet you was.
Right there. These are the ones I'm trying to get on my SS. He said he's gonna sell them to me for $200.
You said what?
He heard me. These are the ones I want to get on the SS.
You're going home.
You go home. Going home. See, we gonna get those and put those on the SS. He said he gonna sell them to me for a nice price. I ain't gonna tell y'all what he said.
For real?
Yeah. He said they'll fit my SS. What you think, GT?
What you little hair twist like this?
What you think, GT?
Like, I didn't recognize you for a minute.
You don't like these wheels?
Huh?
I asked you what you think about the wheels, GT.
Oh.
Wow, she ain't even commented yet. Wow. I guess she don't like the wheels.
What? No, I'm not. No,
I like them though.
I'm not saying that.
Man, look at
I'm not saying. You always have
22 inches.
Like a bun or
I think they gonna look good. Don't pay no attention
to
what they talking about in the background.
This for my twist.
I'm gonna put these back right there, lean them back over there, man. You know what I'm saying? Got some 4G autos right there. He got some 4G autos right there. You know what I'm saying?
And Ruchi get you coochie.
They say Ruchi get you coochie because they know damn well you got some money to get them.
I need 285s.
Ruchi get you some coochie.
What? Tires?
Yeah.
Put these back. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to scratch them up. Right there.
Rims.
I don't know.
Looking good.
What's that?
If they too, they're not wide enough.
He said,
the tires go like balloons.
Ruchi get you coochie. I guess those
You gotta do
Ruchis
like
gonna get you
a
some
20. You got
coochie.
20s on it?
I don't know about Ruchis getting you coochie or Forgiatos getting you gelatos. Yeah.
Why not?
Yeah.
Yeah, you got to do 2. Yeah, you can't do 285s unless
I can do it. I can do 15.
because your rim has to depend on how wide your rim is. You gotta be wider.
Yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all in a second. I just wanted to let y'all see those wheels. Let me let y'all see them one more time. And tell me in the comments if you think I should get these wheels. Let me know.
Like 20 by 10 or 20 by 11.
Damn, I don't feel like doing this again.
I want to try to do 285 with what I
What's wrong with the tires you got right now?
They're not wide enough.
Nah, I think you got the 255s on there.
Because it's gonna look better.
There you go, y'all.
To me.
What y'all think?
Okay, oh, no,
What y'all think about those?
What's besides looks?
You gonna give me a good deal on them? Put those on the SS out there?
You don't care about performance?
Woo-wee.
No.
Woo-wee.
What?
I ain't gonna want 700 horse. You can't have a. Okay, look. Okay. Listen. Okay.
Just notice it got the air thing inside of here. I ain't even
When it comes
know.
to horsepower.
Yes.
Okay.
These some 4G autos right here. Matter of fact, I'm tripping. Got some 4G autos right there. 4G autos.
Don't like if you put a supercharger on it.
Yeah, I'm gonna holler at y'all in a second, man. I'm gonna get back to you in a second. Give me a second.
You know what I'm saying?
Bop. Yeah, baby, whip out of here, man. Carnage. All right. Come on now. Come on now, sis. Come on now. Carnage arise. Well, there go the Superman. She down for the count. We're gonna find out what's going on with her in a few more days. He probably gonna send me the diagnostic tomorrow. I ain't for sure. Hopefully he send me some good news. I can't afford no more bad news.
You have a lip chop over here?
There should be something in there. There should be. No.
That nasty shit.
But you gotta use what you can get now. You said you want lip chap. You ain't say specific kind now. You ain't say no specific kind now. We headed to the crib, y'all. Cold out here. We trying to get home to that game. Trying to get home to that video game. You know what I'm saying? It's the weekend. I'm about to shoot them up. Call of Duty style. Damn, can you drive though, T-Light? Come on, you drive semis. You act like you can't get a single car out of the damn parking lot. Oh, man.
Right.
They say hasta la vista to the Super. We'll be back for you, baby. She on flat and everything. Damn. Hate to see her like that.
Sorry, I missed that.
No, I don't want you to see, but she I don't know what that is. I don't think that
To
cancel.
make phone cancel.
Don't worry about that. Gone. Well, like I said, y'all, I just wanted to touch bases with y'all, let y'all know the Super is down for the count. And hopefully we can get her back up and running. Because I definitely would need her in the wintertime. She's way better in the snow than the Maggie is. Magalini is definitely not great in snow. But the Super is wonderful. Hopefully it's just a radiator line. Hell, I'll pay for a new radiator. I don't want to pay for no new motor though. But I'll put a new radiator in there. They ain't doing nothing but making the car better. But I'd be damned if I put another motor in there. No. Like I said, I'm gonna have to sell it to somebody. Make it their problem. Catch me in the streets. With your lemon, you probably won't be able to catch me. Cause the motor gonna be shot. The motor gonna be done for. Like you sold me a lemon. Catch me, bitch. No, I wouldn't do that to nobody. Or would I? But yeah, man, we about to head on to, well, I'm about to be, well, GTD is with me, but she don't like to be on the camera, so we're not gonna put her on the camera. But we about to head on to the crib. I just wanted to touch bases with y'all and let y'all know how the Super was doing. What kind of car is that? This is a nice little SUV. This ain't no SUV, it's a little crossover.
It's amazing.
What's that? What? That we're using a plane?
An airplane.
Oh, that's more scarier than amazing.
Above the clouds.
Look at that, y'all. That's when GTD was in a plane. They was flying above the clouds. I would have said, sir, can you take it a little lower? We ain't supposed to be this high. We ain't supposed to be over the clouds, baby. You doing too much and you getting ahead of yourself, sir. Give a little quick little pull, you know what I'm saying?
That was good for you to work on your technique.
What you mean I need to work on my technique?
Like when you're getting over, it shouldn't be jerky. It should be a smooth train.
Yeah, that was a little jerky how I got over. I know the person was behind me like, can he even handle that car? Like, slow down a little bit because he can't handle that car. That was a jerky lane enter. I entered that lane sloppy as hell. My bad. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and cut out on y'all, man. But I'm gonna go ahead and leave y'all with something positive, you know what I'm saying? Like I always say, man, y'all got to stay away from negative Ned, negative Nancy. Them the type of people you don't want to be around. They do not want to see you succeed in life. They want you to be miserable like them. You don't want to be around people like that. Hang around people, like-minded people that's trying to succeed and do something in life. And if you can't find no people like that, stay to your goddamn self. It's better to be alone than work with a whole bunch of devils. And always believe in yourself, man. Always believe in yourself. If you ain't got something right now, if you work hard, you'll be able to get it. You just gotta work hard and believe in yourself. Know what you're trying to get to, and I promise you'll get to it. I know, man. Take my advice, man. One day I explain to you why I tell you that. But right now, I ain't got enough subscribers to do that. But yeah, always try to be great, man. And with that being said, it's your boy. I gotta head to the road. Tlites. And I'm out this piece. Jiddig. Oh, damn. Sorry. Bye-bye.
That's what they call me. Promise that you'll never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me.